Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we'll see how to install MariaDB ODBC connector on Ubuntu 21.04. ODBC driver allows applications to access data in database management system using SQL as a standard for data access. ODBC is an industry standard interface for connecting to databases. MariaDB Connector ODBC uses it. First, I'm going to check the OS version by using following command. It is Ubuntu 21.04. Next, I'm going to create a directory. Next, I'm going to change to the directory. Here, I'm going to download the ODBC package using following command. Packages are downloaded. Now, I'm going to extract the downloaded package by using following command. Packages are extracted. Next, I'm going to install the following packages from the downloaded file. Next, I'm going to install the following packages in the following location. After installing all library files, need to install the driver manager. Before installing, I'm going to update the apt-get repository. Now install the ODBC driver manager by using following command. By this, how to install MariaDB ODBC connector on Ubuntu 21.04 has been completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.